Hey guys, I'm Carter and this is Colton. We're with Bent Metal Off-Road. In this video today, we're going to be talking about our Pro XP windshield. First off, I want to show you how easy this windshield is to install and just point out a couple of the key features on this windshield. Every windshield that we sell at Bent Metal Off-Road comes with AS1 laminated safety glass, and each piece of glass will come with a DOT stamp in the bottom right corner. The frame, the outer frame of the windshield itself is made from aluminum and it's been powder coated in a textured black finish. We have adjustable vents at the bottom to allow for airflow. These vents were powder coated in blue to match the accent color on this specific machine. When you order this windshield, you will notice several different color options for the vent sliders to match your specific machine. Now, one of the best features about this windshield is how easy it is to install. The only mounting hardware needed are these 4 Velcro straps that come on the windshield frame. You can install this windshield by yourself, but if you have some help, it's always nice to have an extra pair of hands. So we're going to show you how to install this windshield. So what you want to do first is line up the windshield and mount the bottom first. The windshield frame will be almost vertical as you line up the frame on the bottom plastics of your hood. Once you have everything lined up, you can slowly lay the top of the windshield frame down. Check one more time and make sure everything's lined up correctly. Make any adjustments if needed. And then tighten up your Velcro straps. Cinch them down tight. Okay, now that we have the windshield installed, if you have the Polaris aluminum roof, you can go ahead and install that roof through these holes already on the windshield frame. And most aftermarket roofs will mount the same way. Once the Velcro straps are tight on the frame, this windshield is secure, supported by the frame. No metal on metal contact with the foam weather stripping all the way around the outer edge of the frame, and you're ready to go riding.